everybody, my name is Kara. So today we're going to play Best Fiends. And I'm going to be playing it for the first time. I haven't played it yet. Best Fiends. My sister told me also to play this game. So I'm just going to play it. I know how it plays, but seen many YouTubers play it. So excited on Christmas Eve. When we're up to I'm just going to make this easy and quick because I am rushing on something, so we're going up to level 3. I'm sorry. So freezing out here. It's freezing. I do this all the time. Yep, it's raining. So I just gotta look outside if it's raining. Stop. Just going to make this easy and quick. So I'm just going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed. So in the next episode, I think we're going to reach level